How does metal bracket provide ground? I am replacing an old light fixture. The junction box has no ground wire coming out of it. The instructions say that if this is the case, to attach the ground wire from the light fixture to the green screw on the mounting plate. So how does this work? The ground has to lead back to the breaker box in order to work, right? Is this mounting bracket connected to a wire leading to the breaker box? It does actually appear that the box has an attached ground wire leading out of it, so that's good news. Question from user D512 at Stack Exchange. Answer: so long as there's no corrosion, the metal screws that attach the light's mounting bracket to the metal box are what provides continuity from the grounding wire attached to the metal box through to the ground screw and wire attached to the light fixture itself. If your new light has this same setup, which is very likely, then you can continue to use the same system for your grounding. Answer from user Freeman at Stack Exchange.